Hello everyone, I'm Carter, and this is Carter's Camera. Let's get into this. Today's kind of a come along with me, I guess. I'm about to do a unboxing. Not really an unboxing, but it's an unpacking of what I got for my small business. And I am currently making TikTok. This is the stuff. That's the body scrub. Okay, so let's do kind of unboxing. Those bags are really heavy. So we got some paper towels for cleaning up and stuff. And then going into this bag, we got some new spatulas because we need them. Or I need them. We got 2 packs of these containers. And then 2 brand new bags of granulated sugar. See, 2 new bags. Another thing. And 4 fizz-free Celsius Mango Peach. These are so good and highly needed tonight. I will be up late doing a lot of work. So, yeah. I kind of need to prep for everything. Make more body scrub and make a lot more TikToks. So, I guess further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so first, the Celsius. Highly needed. It's like all dented, but it's okay. Oh, so good. Okay. I kind of just have to clean up of the mess that I have here. That's a thing that I use to make the bags that can go in there. Let's see, this is one of my spoons. I'm just trying to clean up. So yeah. Hello everyone. So it's just kind of the morning. I just woke up. Yeah, and then I had this idea from last night and we're gonna pursue it today. So I have these shelves that originally came from my closet, but then they also were originally right here, but then went right here, but it's okay. So now I'm not really using these as like my working station desk anymore. That's for my actual desk. So this, I have some cubbies, and I brought a crap ton of my old books up. So we're gonna make this a comfy book corner. I have a lamp that we're gonna put right here. I have a diffuser. So yeah, and then I have my beanbag. But in a little bit, once we kind of set this up, we're gonna do a little Amazon shopping and get some other stuff. So let's get into this. Hello, so I've been outside for the last hour shoveling. It's really bad. It is... One second. Oh my gosh. It is 3:09 p.m. It is so cold outside, but I started my car earlier just because it's an older car. Wanted to make sure it started. But it's covered again in snow, and so I want to make sure it stays started. So let's go back up there. Can't forget the key and I cleared off all here like 2 hours ago, and it's already like I cleared this 2 hours ago. And now let's clear off this car, but I don't want to keep my camera out here. Like, I have the heat on because it's so cold outside, but... But look at the snow, it's just flying, like... We don't need this glass working. So let's clean this window at least. Yeah, let's clean this window at least. Okay, so this window, I've already cleaned it off and looked at. Like, it's just pouring now. But we got the rest of the car. So, I do need a car mount. Like, really bad. But, so, like, I'm not sure where to put you. Yeah. Seems like there. Probably complete a disaster. Hey, yeah. At like 25. Just kind of gets the heat going a little better. It's so cold. Okay, so they definitely, we're almost halfway warm already, so that's good. This heat is blasting. But then, look. Got my beautiful camera. Actually, you might be able to see better here. It's the, I think it's the Canon V10. But yeah, I love this camera. This is actually my first camera, and I haven't really filmed a YouTube video with it. But the business, I haven't made it, but it's okay. It's okay. But then we gotta get this YouTube channel back up, and then let's see, when was the last? I think my last post for my podcast was in March, so we gotta get that back up too. It is so. Oh my gosh. That wasn't really nice. That bitch just... Oh. I don't think I can say that on YouTube.
college all shiny and optimistic about her future, with her nose ring intact, and then spent the next 7 years having her soul sucked out, one 10-hour day at a time. And now here she was, grown up and without a single clue who she was.
Okay, everyone, so we're here. Yeah. I am not about to go to Target, especially right now. It's snowing really bad. And I just want to order stuff. So let's do a body care shopping on Target. So I'm literally editing this video and I didn't realize it was so blurry for like, I don't know, here to here. I'm not sure. But it's 5:55. And yeah. My hair is crazy. I took a shower, that's why. My hair is crazy. So 5:55. I'm going to end this video here. And I have stuff coming from Target. Let's see. I also have an interview tomorrow, so that's gonna be fun. So I might bring you guys along with that. Might bring you guys along with me. Not in the interview, but like, I have to get ready in the morning for it. Because I'm gonna come home from school and then I have to immediately leave. Because I don't get home from school until... I get out of school at 2, don't get home until like 2:20. And I have to be there for 2:35. So, literally, as I'm getting in, I have to order my Uber. Unless my dad's home. That's depending. But, like, I have a bunch of stuff coming. Let's see. I have stuff coming tomorrow. Mostly everything's coming Wednesday. Today's Monday, by the way. So this is what's coming. This is what's coming on Wednesday. It's like a little light mirror thingy from Target. So yeah. But, yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. And I hope you'll be back soon. Bye, guys.